Do you want to see? Do you want to listen bird chirping? You can listen and you can see a full of nature and people are working. There are many people and he is going. Look at him. He's plucking tea leaves and I'm enjoying this weather. The weather is so good. Also people are plucking tea leaves, so I wanted to show you guys. And you can see this is tea garden. I have already shown you one time. Now this is a second time you can see the view of tea garden. It's insane. It's heaven and it's miracle for us.